This season, we've decided that we're gonna turn this extra space here off the parking lot into a garden area and an off-road dirt bike track. The best thing to get all that done this season is Ego's new lawn tractor or garden tractor. So we're super excited to get started today making it happen with it. Pop these batteries in here and get down to business right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. You wanna help out with the channel? Then head over to the merch store. You get hats, hoodies, t-shirts, link will be in the description below. So I, being on a really busy schedule and short time frame a lot of times, need to run out here, mow, get as much as I can done quickly, and then get back to what I'm doing. There's no fear of scorching this ground cover. It's very hardy, so we can cut this very, very low. And the best part is that this mower goes all the way from 1.5 inches all the way up to like 4¼ inches. So we can make a pass looking for any obstructions in the ground, rocks, boulders that got thrown over the fence. Anything could be in this grass. We want to be able to find it first before we go really close. Now, I wanted to kind of show the cut quality of the mower, even going through this trash weed. Let's take a look. You can see we're at the top of our cutting capacity. And it's just taking down the higher brush. But then when we get into that 3-inch area, you'll see we'll get closer, we'll get tons of recycling happening, and a lot of that debris will just disappear. So you can see we're not even getting clumping. We're gonna go to our bottom of our height at 1.5 inches. And this grass is kind of tall, but if we go slow enough, it will continue to mow. If you look, you can see we're really low. We have a whole bunch of recycling and mulching going on here, as well as some side discharge that we will hit on our next pass, and it will continue to mulch and then side discharge. And when we're done, we'll have a nice, clean lawn. Well, clean green area, because this is definitely not lawn. I just kind of want to emphasize that in addition to it being a lawn tractor or a garden tractor, you actually get a really great cut with it as well. So we're here in a fenced off, wide open area, and the mower will turn the blades off in reverse. It's a safety precaution. You're able to lock that feature out. Little buttons right here. It's got an X with an R showing your blade. Couldn't get it. It was a little finicky at first, but as you saw, I eventually got it to work. So all I really needed to do is put it in neutral, hold down that button or press that button, then put it in drive, and then turn my blades on. It's finicky, it's not working. Now the light went out. I had to hold it down for like 5 seconds. I turn my blades on. I could go drive, mower, the blades will stay on. Reverse, the blades will stay on. But be mindful, if you have your blades on and you're reversing and you don't know what's behind you, you could run over a person, you could run over possessions, you could run over an animal. Maybe your dog follows behind you, so be very, very careful when using that feature. It also has a built-in safety feature. If you try to lean over or jump off the tractor with the blades engaged, it will actually turn the blades off. Another great thing about the Ego platform is the ability to charge batteries using solar power. A lot of you say things like, yeah, but we need fossil fuels to charge the batteries. Well, you don't if you have the Ego Nexus charger inverter. You're able to power all types of stuff, corded tools if you'd like. But for me, what I do is I use the solar adapter and plug it into my supplied solar panel. And when I'm not using my outdoor power equipment, when things are sitting on standby, I use that as a standby solar charger. So it costs me $0 to power my Ego equipment. I have my stockpile sitting, ready to go when I need to go to work. When it's time to do trimmer work or blower work, or you have to use your chainsaw, if you have your tractor with you, you have a battery. Everything's cross-compatible. So you could go from mowing the lawn right to doing your detail work or trimmer work. I could take 2 of these Ego batteries and power their off-road mini bike. So when I'm done my job and my work, I could go and have a good time. Little air that time or no? And I feel like being on the battery platform that's not only powered by the sun, but made for getting work done and having fun. Then smash the like button. It's free for you to do. It doesn't cost you a dime, plus you'll get 7 years of good luck. Let us know down below. Is there any other decision other than Ego? I say there isn't, but what says you? With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. I hope to see you all on the next one where we have some like tomatoes and basil going out there. I'm gonna make some margarita pies.